Working with Korg Krome workstation sounds and have K2P Keymap files to load. These define how samples map across keyboard ranges. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Korg Krome Keymap files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value K2P file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. K2P file stores keymap data for the Korg Krome Music workstation. Users encounter this file when creating, saving, or loading custom instrument sounds and sample assignments. The primary user intent is to manage and transfer personalized sound configurations between their computer and the Korg Krome synthesizer for music production. The K2P format is a proprietary binary structure designed by Korg for efficiency and direct hardware compatibility. It contains pointers to audio samples and maps them across a keyboard's range, including velocity layers and other performance parameters. This binary design ensures fast loading times and minimal processing overhead on the synthesizer's dedicated hardware. Korg Inc. defined Korg Krome as the application primarily intended for K2P. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows provides only superficial insight, so understanding the data requires the correct software. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your K2P file and choose Open With. Test with Korg Krome first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, loading on Korg Krome. Transfer K2P files to your Korg Krome via SD card or USB depending on your model. Insert the SD card or connect USB storage to the Krome. Use the keyboard's media menu to load the K2P file. The Krome adds the keymap to its program memory available for use in custom programs and combinations. Next, using Korg software. Use Korg software tools like the Korg Krome editor for advanced keymap management on your computer. Connect the Krome via USB and use the editor to transfer K2P files. Configure keymap parameters and create custom sound programs with detailed control beyond what's available on the keyboard interface. Finally, backing up sounds. Before loading new K2P files, back up your existing Krome sounds and keymaps to SD card. Use the Krome's Save All function to preserve your current configuration. This protects custom program sounds in case you need to restore the previous state if new K2P files don't work as expected in your music workflow. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.